Welcome to the Appointment Manager Create Advisor Time Blocks demo. In this demo, you will learn how to log into Appointment Manager and create your appointment time blocks. By the end of this demo, you will be able to create time blocks for your students to sign up for. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Appointment Manager sign-in screen. Example, https://am.midlandstech.edu/am. You will sign in by typing in your email account username and password and clicking on the Login button. After you have signed in, click on the Advisors tab, then choose the Create Advisor Time Blocks option. You can ignore the list of appointment dates that show on this first page. This is a list of appointments created in the past. You want to click on the Add button in the top left corner. Then select your department and program from the drop-down list, and then your name from the drop-down list of advisors. Next, in the subject field, type in the reason for the appointment. Normally, this will be something like Advisement Appointment. The location field is pre-populated with the location listed in your advisor profile. If this location isn't where you will be meeting for the appointment, update this field to the correct location. Now we are going to go over two different scenarios. This first scenario is for creating one time block at a time. First, select the start time and the end time for the appointment. Then, select the start date and end date of the appointment. If you are creating one appointment block at a time, leave the type of appointment on single appointment block. Normally, you will only be meeting with one student at a time, so you will leave the appointment type as one-on-one. Then, make sure the checkboxes for the day of the week includes the day of the week this meeting is scheduled for. Now, for the second scenario, we are going to change this information for creating multiple time blocks at a time. First, select the start time of the first appointment and the end time for the last appointment. Then, select the start date of the first appointment and the end date of the last appointment. Since we are creating multiple appointments at a time, change the type of appointment to multiple appointment blocks. Then, change the time limit for each appointment. Normally, this would be 60 minutes. Then, you would leave the check marks next to the times you want a block created. For this example, we will go to lunch from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. So I'm going to uncheck that time slot. Normally, you will be meeting with one student at a time. But if you want to meet with more than one person at a time, change the appointment type to multiple, and then type in how many students can attend the appointment. Then, select the check boxes for the days of the week you want these time blocks scheduled for over the date range selected. For this example, I'm going to use Mondays and Wednesdays. Next, if you are an advisor for multiple programs, you can select those additional programs from the Include Selected Programs also in the same time block drop-down menu. This will make this time block show up in multiple places for the students to sign up for. Once it is booked in one of the programs, it will be removed from the other programs so that no one is double booked. Once you're finished making changes, click on the Save button in the top left area of the page. You have now successfully created advisor time blocks.